In this problem, we're going to use right triangles to determine the height of a building. To measure the height of a building, two sidings are taken a distance of 50 feet apart. If the first angle of elevation is 40 degrees and the second is 32 degrees, what is the height of the building? We'll start by drawing a diagram to represent the situation. We're told that our first siding is taken at an angle of elevation of 40 degrees, and our second siding is taken with an angle of elevation of 32 degrees. We know that the two sidings are taken a distance of 50 feet apart. We don't know exactly how far the first siding was taken away from the building, so we'll call that distance x. And we're interested in the height of the building, we'll call that quantity h. We're going to use the tangent function to set up some equations. Using our first right triangle, we can say the tangent of 40 degrees is equal to h over x. So the tangent is the opposite side over the adjacent side. Solving for x, x is equal to h divided by the tangent of 40 degrees. Using our second siding, we get a second right triangle, we can write the tangent of 32 degrees is equal to h over x plus 50. And the tangent will be the opposite side, so h over the adjacent, that's the entire length, which is x plus 50. At this point, we have two equations that involve both x and h. Our goal is to find the value for h, the height of the building. So we'd like to obtain just a single equation involving h alone. We had that the tangent of 32 degrees was equal to h over x plus 50. If we solve that for h, we can get h equals x plus 50 times the tangent of 32 degrees. We earlier found that x was equal to h over the tangent of 40 degrees. We can go ahead and replace x by h over tangent of 40 degrees in our equation for h here. So we'll give us h is equal to h over tangent 40 degrees plus 50 and then times the tangent of 32 degrees. If we put in approximate values for the tangent of 40 degrees and tangent of 32 degrees, get h is equal to h over 0.8391 plus 50 times 0.6249. If we distribute the 0.6249, we get h is equal to 0.7447h plus 31.245. If we collect our h terms together, we'll have 0.2553 h is equal to 31.245. And then dividing both sides by the coefficient on h, get that h is approximately 122.39. So we can say that the building is roughly 122.4 feet tall.